Hi, I'm Jessica Lee, and today I'm here to introduce to you a revolutionary product designed to help you get the clear, clean, and healthy-looking skin you've always wanted. It's called Clear Skin Max. It's different than anything you've seen before on the market, and it's the last acne-fighting skin treatment system that you'll ever need. Look, everybody struggles with acne at one time or another. Clear Skin Max is designed to make you look as good on the outside as you feel on the inside. The Clear Skin Secret is a natural essential oil that never dries the skin. This essential oil has been used for thousands of years by Australian Aboriginal people, and it's one of the secrets inside Clear Skin Max. The Clear Skin system is an entirely new way to treat acne from both inside and out. The 6-part system includes masks, astringents, and refiners to treat your skin from the surface, while our specially formulated organic tea helps to curb redness and promote the healing of the skin from within. Clear Skin Max is already in use by thousands of people just like you, all across the country. Their stories and amazing results are pouring into our website day in and day out, and yours could be next. The active ingredient in Clear Skin Max is just as effective as prescription acne-fighting medication, but without the itching, burning, and dry, flaky skin that come with them. Let's take a look at how it works. The first step on your road to clear skin begins with the Acne Vanishing Mask. When applied for 20 minutes a couple times a week, this mask will open up your pores to literally suck the dirt and oils out. The next step is to use the Tea Tree Oil Cleansing Gel daily. The natural antiseptic and antibacterial properties will treat blemishes and inflammation without drying the skin. The emergency repair treatment stimulates the healing process, initiating and improving your skin's ability to repair itself. And the vitamin E it contains will counteract any scarring. Clear Skin's conditioning lotion closes the pores after cleansing to guard against future dirt and oil. The skin softener contains algae extract and vitamin B3 to improve circulation and stop moisture loss. Finally, the USDA-certified organic Tava Tea Anti-Acne Blend is formulated to calm inflammation and reduce acne breakouts from the inside out. Clear Skin Max is the only 6-stage acne-fighting system that treats your skin from the inside and out. Its ingredients have been clinically tested and endorsed by dermatologists, and it's ready to help you reveal the beautiful, clear skin that you've always wanted. Just imagine. No more blackheads, no more breakouts, just your skin. Clean, clear, and blemish-free. We know you'll be thrilled with your new skin, and that's why we can offer a 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. Clear Skin Max works with all skin types across all age ranges. Whether you have a few occasional breakouts or a more challenging fight on your hands, Clear Skin Max is the right choice to unlock the beautiful skin that you deserve.